Okay, so now let's go ahead and fix our problems, or let's go ahead and go over those 3 issues that I said before. First issue, can I instantiate an item anymore? Answer is no. I get an error, cannot create an instance of the abstract class. So problem 1 solved. Problem 2, is there any implementation that I don't care about that's cluttering up my program? The answer is no. Neither of these methods have an implementation. Third problem, am I forced to implement these 2 members on every type that I inherit from item? The answer is yes. You'll notice that if I remove that method and try to compile, I get a does not implement inherited abstract member console application 1.item.use. So all of those problems are resolved.
Nelson, you might want to explain what abstract actually means.
Do I still need the override keyword? Yes. You'll notice on line 68 I still am forced to override.
What's abstract mean? I mean, it's abstract.
Well, yes, abstract means that it is a member without implementation. Abstract means it's hard to actually define what abstract means. It's easier to define what abstract does. What abstract does, by adding the abstract modifier to any member on, or except fields, of course, because that doesn't make any sense, to any property or method on a class, you are doing a few different things. You are saying, I am not going to give an implementation for this method. Any class that inherits from me must implement this method. And nobody can instantiate the class that this method is inside of. So basically, abstract does nothing. Yes. It doesn't do anything. It just forces us to do things. It forces us to do things as developers. It doesn't really do anything. In fact, it does the opposite of something. But it allows us to use polymorphism inside of a statically typed language. As you see right here, I'm instantiating a list of items, and I don't care which one of these items are. I don't care if the item is a chair, a gun, or a potion. It doesn't matter to the inventory local variable. This can contain as many different types of items that I want. And then when I loop over those items in that collection, I can invoke the display method and the use method. The reason I can invoke display and use is because they're defined up here. They're made available to us statically.